Yes. Hello students, today we are going to start the chapter that is Visualizing Solid Shape of the 8th standard. Okay, this is a very interesting chapter, so listen carefully and watch carefully. First of all, what is in my visualizing? Visualizing means we have to something observe. You have to imagine here. In this chapter, what you have to do? You have to imagine. Okay, that is the visualizing solid shape. Now, in your day-to-day life, what are the objects you see in your day-to-day life around us? You see benches, tables, boards, fans, okay, vehicles, okay, houses, okay, schools. These are most of the things what they have some length, breadth and height and all the depths. So these they all occupy some space and have 3 dimensions, that is the length, breadth and height. So they are called as solid shapes or the 3D shapes. 3D shapes or the solid shapes or the 3-dimensional figures or the 3-dimensional shapes. What are the 3-dimensional shapes? You can say that the cylinder, okay, cylinder. You can write cone. You can give the example that is a cuboid. These are the 3D shapes. Okay, pyramids. These are the examples of the 3D shapes of the 3-dimensional figures. 3-dimensional figures means what? The solid shape have 3 dimensions. Okay, and 2D shapes means 2-dimensional shapes. 2-dimensional shape means what? When we can say when we draw the figures on a paper or the board, they have length and breadth. Only they have length and breadth are called as the 2-dimensional figures or the 2-dimensional shapes. Got it? What are the 2-dimensional 2D shapes? Rectangle, squares, okay, rectangle, squares, triangle, which the closed figure which have 2 dimensions. Okay, these are the 2D shapes or the 2-dimensional figures, or those you can say that the plane figures or the plane shapes. Got it? Understand? Okay. Now after that we will see the next point, that is the edges, faces. Next point is that edges, vertices and faces. Let us see. Suppose I will draw a cuboid. Now the flat surfaces of the solid shapes called as faces. The line segments of the skeleton are called as edges, and corners of the solid shapes are called as vertices. Got it? Again, flat surfaces are called as the faces. Line segments of the skeleton are called as the edges, and corners of the solid shape are called as the edges. Vertices. Now, how many vertices are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is 1. Okay, there are 8 vertices. How many edges are here? Edges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 edges are here. How many faces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces are here. Okay. Now after that, move towards the next point, that is the polyhedrons. Before starting the polyhedrons. What is meant by polygon? Polygon means a simple closed curve. A simple closed curve made up of the line segments called as the polygon. Okay? Simple closed curve made up of the line segments called as a polygon. And what is a polyhedron? Polyhedron means, suppose I am drawing here one cuboid. Here, polyhedron means what? Solids. The solids made up of the polygonal region. Solids made up of the polygonal region called as faces. These faces meet to the edges called as line segments, and the edges meet to the corners. The edges meet to the vertices called as the points. Such solids are called as polyhedrons. Got it? Again, see here. The solids made up of the polygonal region called as the faces. These faces meet to the edges called as line segments, and the edges meet to the vertices called as the corners. And such solids are called as polyhedrons. Got it? Now, everybody, are you getting? Yes. After that, next we will move towards the next one, that is 3D shapes. Use of 3D shapes. Now, use of 3D shapes in this, we have to imagine. Okay, we have to see the object by the three views, means front view, side view, and top view. Now, let us take one example here. Draw. Consider this is the glass, and you have to. This is the front view. You have to. This is the front view. Okay, and this is the top view. Then, what is the front view of this glass? When you will see from this side, okay, when you are looking from here to the glass, what you will see, you will look like you will get the only rectangular shape. When you see from the top, then what will you see? You will get like this. Okay. Next, we will take the example. Your attention here. See, when you see from the front view, suppose this is the front view, this is the side view, and this is the top view. Okay, what is the front view of this here from front? When you see from front, what you will get? You will look like, see like this. Okay, you will look like this. This is your front view. When you see from the top, then what do you see? Look like this. Okay. When you see, this is your top view. When you see from the side view, then you will see like this. This is your side. Okay, are you getting? Do you have any problem in this? Okay. Let us move to next. We will take next example. This is the next example is not in your syllabus, but we will. For your more information or for your more knowledge, we will draw here one example of the 3D shape, that is the isometric view. How to draw? Only see. Sir. Okay. See here. Let us. We will first we have to draw the cuboid. Okay. This is not in your syllabus, but for more information, we will draw here. your this is one object. This is nothing but what? This is an object. This object is in isometric range. Which means isometric range. Okay. I have drawn here already. Try to draw this object at your home. Only you have to try. Okay. Thank you.